Do you want to be able to add your Doordash card to Apple Wallet? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be very simple. We need to firstly go into our settings app on our phone. So open up your settings app, and then you should be taken to this page right here, so you can see. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just simply scroll down in here. So just keep scrolling down until you can of course find where it says Wallet and Apple Pay, as you can see. So just click on Wallet and Apple Pay, and in here what you're going to be able to see in here is all the cards that you have connected to your Apple Pay right now. So if you have already a card connected to your Apple Pay, then you will be able to see it in here, just so you know. But in this case, we're going to add a new card, right? So we're going to click on Add Card instead. So click on Add Card. Just going to load here for me, so just a second. Let's see if we can actually, yeah, perfect. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So now on this page, as you can see, it gives us two alternatives in here, debit or credit card, but also travel card. But for our Doordash card, it's a debit or a credit card, as you can see. So we need to click on the first alternative in here, and then you should be taken to this page. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just simply search for Doordash in here. So search for Doordash. So I'm going to search right here. And then as you can see, I should now be taken to this page. Now I'm just going to scroll down in here. And as you can see, I get these options right here. Unfortunately, as of right now, I'm not able to actually add a Doordash card because I'm not in a geographical location to be able to have this option. So that is why I'm not able to see Doordash in here. But if you are in a geographical location where Doordash card is available, then you should be able to find it in here. Then just click on it. So for example, we can click right here. Let's see what happens. And yeah, this one actually just says that we need their app, so we can see this one. And perfect. As you can see, what will happen when we actually going to have the Doordash alternative in here, you will be able to scan or add card manually in here. So if you have the card nearby, then you can just scan it, or if you can add the details manually, you can do so as well. So that is basically exactly how to add your Doordash card to your Apple Wallet.